Hi everyone, so today I'm going to record a short tutorial of using track changes in Microsoft Word. So as you can see, I have a Word document open here. It just has the text of the Drury University mission statement copied into it. So if you scroll down, you can see the mission statement here in the document. So the first thing you're going to do if you're going to turn on track changes is to go to this review tab. So you see all the tabs up here at the top, starting with file, working all the way down to help. You'll want to go to review. So you'll click on that and you'll see tracking pop up here. So what I'm going to do is click on that arrow to expand it further. And then to turn it on, I'll click on this button, track changes. Once that button is grayed out, it means that it's now tracking any edits that I make to the document. There's also some additional tools you can use over here. So usually when I'm working in track changes, I like to use the simple markup because you don't see as much red text as you're working down here and it's not as distracting. But if you want to see everything, you can click on all markup. So I'll click here, or you can even have it show no changes at all and just show the original document. So that's useful when you're comparing edits to what the document started as. So for now, I'm going to click on all markup and show you what that looks like, and it'll show you what the simple markup looks like in just a minute. So we have the all markup here, and I click down here, tracking is now on. So if I want to change something in this document, let's say I want to change this text, so I'll just backspace. You can see that there's a mark over here on the left that indicates a change has been made, and we can see the text crossed out here. If I type new text, I'll get rid of this extra word. You can see that the new text is underlined and in a different color. Now, what I mean by the fact that I like to work with the simple markup on, I'll show you what that looks like. I just change it to simple markup. Now, there's still a red line over here that indicates a change has been made, but you don't actually see it in the text. And to me, that's a lot less distracting when I'm editing, so I prefer to work like that. Now, not everyone does, so that's why there are different options here. We can put all markup so that we can see everything that we're doing. Another really useful feature that pairs with track changes is the new comment feature. So as long as you are in the review tab, so click out, click back in, you'll see comments and you have an option to add comments. So maybe I added new text here, but I need to explain it a little bit further. So what you can do is highlight the text that applies to the comment, click on new comment, and it'll pop up here on the side. Now maybe I want to say the wording sounds awkward here, so I rephrased this sentence. And that way I have the change and the comment. So that's kind of a basic overview of how track changes and new comments works and how you can use it to edit documents.